Okay, they say this episode's supposed to be crazy. Let's see what this says. Some scenes may not be suitable for some, really most, let's be honest, all viewers. But rest assured that any consensual relationships depicted, be they human, animal, superhero, or other, aren't real, harmed no one, and in fact cost a hilariously large amount in visual effects. Okay, well that already makes me feel better. That I know that what I'm seeing isn't real. What the hell is this? Oh, I hate these kind of commercials. I don't even know who this is. Who was that? I don't know who this is either. I don't know who this is either. I'm not recognizing some of these celebrities. Don't get on me in the comments. Bro, they got nobody in there. That's crazy. Oh, Homelander's terrified. Oh, Homelander's about to pee his pants. Better go get Edgar back.
Find him and kill him. You bury it.
Okay, so is he not scared of him?
Why would he kill Coons and Connors? He was your team leader. You have any idea?
What?
I'm really glad to have you with me on this one.
Can Black Noir communicate through the mind? What's going on here? Oh. What's he doing? Oh, he's getting rid of that tractor. That's the same one Starlight had. Why is he getting rid of that? Is he running away or is he about to go just under the radar? Homelander's about to be pissed though. Oh, he's leaking from the ears now. I don't know what that is. Is he about to snort that? Yeah.
Why am I supposed to be impressed with that? That's like killing Emmanuel Lewis.
Who the heck is Emmanuel Lewis?
Well, he grew up a business.
I gotta Google that. I gotta Google that. Who is this? Apparently he was on a TV show in the 80s. He looks like he has some kind of condition though, so now I feel bad for laughing, damn it.
Do you know what a GPS is? Or Bluetooth? Or the internet?
You made those words up.
Clean up your ear, Hughie, please. 3 drug addicts teaming up. What could possibly go wrong? No, she's about to get kidnapped. Oh wait, no. Kimiko don't need no superpowers. Never mind, yes she does.
Isn't answering. Alex is dead.
Who's Alex?
And Maeve.
Where is Maeve? Oh wait, Alex is supersonic. Oh God. They're actually making this? Vought soul.
What are you doing about Blue Hawk?
Racism and Nazism unequivocally. Okay? Now, can we
She about to pull out some more hair. Ooh. God damn. She should be bald by now, to be honest.
overall, including all 3 of your straight up murders, while you were out in the club with your crew, or getting your toe sucked by Popclaw.
Wait, what? How do you murder someone while you're getting your toe sucked? What's going on here?
You did not give a shit about all the collateral you caused then. Now all of a sudden you care? Because it happened to you?
She has a point. Blue Hawk still has to die, though.
In the war. He's gone.
Oh, Homelander about to lose it.
He wouldn't. Not Noir. He wouldn't run. Do that. He wouldn't run.
Nor said, I'm out of here. Damn, you know the 7 are down bad when the Deep is the 2nd strongest member right now. I bet Homelander regrets how he's treated everybody now. I feel like the Deep's wife is gonna die. Or is she secretly a super genius? Hey, Soldierboy must be the real deal. Homelander's really doubting himself. That power looked pretty lame, not gonna lie.
Bill Cosby is America's dad. Tell you what, he would be caught
Bill Cosby.
pussy
A lot to unpack there.
That's a real man. Oh shit, did he make some strong drinks. Seriously.
Hold up, what? You're telling me Soldierboy got Bill Cosby'd?
Fucking eagle's nest.
Wait, hold up. Soldierboy was a part of the army and he was fighting for the country. I wonder what happened that made them take superheroes out of the army. Because if I remember correctly, didn't Homelander, like after the whole plane situation, wasn't that like a big deal because he got them back in the army or something like that?
Aim two, the damage was done.
Yeah, my man got brainwashed by the Russians, I'm pretty sure. He's like Mason from Black Ops 2. That could definitely be used against him. Right? Even by accident, right? If he starts listening to some Russian music, he might just detonate.
I'm not a bad guy.
Okay.
That won't happen again.
Why doesn't Hughie ask him what he did to MM's family? That's what I want to know. Let's go. Best part of the day. Why are they letting Soldierboy see though? Oh yeah, that feels good. That's that good stuff. Me personally, I wouldn't have let Soldierboy know that the superpowers are temporary, but I don't know. Wait, they're siblings. Why are they dressed like that around each other? Oh, is this Herogasm? Wait, I hope it's not.
This is Herogasm.
Wait. Okay, I can't see what's going on in his eye, but what kind of brother and sister throw sex parties together? I don't know about that. Homelander is desperate for some allies.
There is no problem. It is safe to go out, period.
Vault's about to go downhill. Homelander's ratings can't still be up, right? Actually, you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if they are.
You have 193 million Instagram followers.
Damn.
Your influence in all.
Fuck you.
Well, damn.
Fuck Homelander and fuck. So, either pop my head or get the hell out.
Okay, Starlight. Showing some real integrity. Oh, is she about to... She just popped a little blood vessel? Because their noses bleed before their heads pop. Like, damn. That was a threat. Bet you miss those powers now, Kimiko. This might make him come back, though. Hopefully. Because how they getting out of this? Oh, she don't need powers. Did her powers come back? Oh, she was just faking. Yeah, I don't think her powers are back. How are they getting out? Oh, no, wait, hold up. That looked kind of powerful. Ooh. Damn. Nah, something gonna happen. Damn. She ain't having kids. That's right. Kimiko don't need superpowers.
Grandpa, it's Soldierboy. Come look. Soldierboy takes the Benz and he hurls it through our house like a fucking freight train.
Damn.
Miss me, Bobo.
He was probably high off of that white stuff.
I woke him up.
Just gobbles that vagina right up. No.
What the heck? Hans is opening and closing the door with his love sausage. Alright, nothing too crazy. Hey, who's controlling that vibrator? Still alive?
The fuck did this motherfucker put on my jacket? My favorite fucking jacket. Nasty ass.
Yeah, at least it's leather. It'll come right off.
Oh shit. Lick it up, you yummy brown bear.
There's no recovering from that. You gotta light the party up at that point. Oh.
I need a bathroom. Right now.
Oh, okay.
Why they keep doing MM like this?
Orgy, that's what this is.
3 minutes.
See them powers, Hughie? Hey, he's gonna fit right in. Since he automatically gets naked. Oh, wait, what's his face? Out of here's named Blue Hawk. Why is Starlight trying to help him though? I feel like Blue Hawk's about to die. You gotta stay focused, Huey. You gotta stay focused. Deep's in there. Oh, he's gonna be doing it with an animal. I already know. There's no squid in that tank. Yup. Deep lost focus. He's not looking out for Soldierboy. Oh, he about to fight him?
Never said you were sorry.
What?
For Robin. You never apologized for Robin.
Jesus, you want to do this right now?
Yeah, I do. You just get away with everything, don't you? Just running past all the broken people you leave behind.
All right. You know what?
He about to apologize.
I'm sorry.
He didn't expect that.
Because I am. Okay. It's fucked up. Seeing somebody that you love get hurt like that.
He didn't expect that.
I'm fucking sorry, Hughie.
Man, that probably means Atron's about to die.
How did you do? No, how the fuck did you do that? I'll show you again.
No, that is not going to happen.
Atron's like, how did I feel that? He had 3 minutes, Huey. Even the people he teleports are naked. It's not working, MM.
You killed my family.
Which one?
Damn. Soldierboy's a douche.
It was Noir. It was Noir's idea, top to bottom. He gave you to the Russians. Please.
It was Noir.
Noir.
Oh, is that Russian music? Oh, it's rap. Oh. The numbers, Mason. Oh, they do. Oh, come on. Why he just do a 360? Damn.
You hurt my brother. You're gonna get away.
Oh, damn. Oh, is he about to have a heart? Ooh. Is he about to have a heart attack? Yeah. Better stop running, A-Train. Here we go again. Dang, he messed him up, though. They said it was like Russian roulette if he ran again. Is A-Train gonna make it? For about the 5th time now. Oh, damn. That's how he dies? Is that how A-Train dies? That was kind of lame. I didn't want A-Train to die like that. Of a heart attack? Like, you might as well should have killed him off that other time he had a heart attack. Oh, what's about to happen?
Deal's off.
Oh. Oh, he don't know he got superpowers? Oh, this is about to be good. Homelander ain't never threw a punch before. You better do him, man. What are you gonna do with a gun, MM? What? Take some temp V and then come back, MM.
You really had me going for a minute there.
Laser eyes. Ooh. Oh, he's getting jumped. Oh, they jumping Homelander. You better get out of there, Homelander. Just fly away, bro. Just fly away like Stormfront. Oh, Hughie gotta get some too. Beat his ass, beat his ass. Kill him. Come on, do it. He not gonna do it. Oh yeah, he pulled a Stormfront. Hey, they had him though. They had him. That was a good fight, bro. It was a good episode. Damn, that was a good episode, bro. These last 2 episodes are gonna be crazy. So much happened. I don't think, now that they ended it like this, I don't think A-Train is dead. I really don't. But I don't know. He could be. I don't know. That's too many close deaths at the same time. Like, I don't know. It could go either way.